Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform of NIVS. Here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal University School, Day Shift. And now I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class 8, and it's about English first paper class from your EFT book, Unit 2, Lesson 4 and 5 discussion. Dear students, in this 2 lesson, you will get something and it's in lesson 4 is about a delicious dish. That means how you will prepare a delicious dish. Dear students, first of all, in task A, you can see some pictures of some food, and in task B, you will get a few questions. Number 1, task B, number 1, what type of food do you like? Then number 2, I will request all of you to take the textbook. Then you will write, that means you like biryani, or you like others, any item, what you like. Then number 2, why do you like these? Then you may write it's your favorite, okay? Then number 3, where do you get this food from? That means in this time, if you write that you get this favorite food from restaurants, then it would not be sounds good. You should write that you get this food from home, or you get this food at home. Then number 4, do you eat homemade food? At this time, this question begins with auxiliary verb. So I told you it before that when any question begins with any auxiliary verb, on that time you are bound to write any yes or no at the beginning of the answer. So you have to write yes, I eat homemade food too much. Okay. Dear students, now let's come task C. Look at the picture. What do you see in the bowl? Dear students, in the bowl you will see there is a food, and it's about custard. And here you will get some ingredients, how to prepare it. And after that, come to the next page, page number 18. In page 18, you will get how to prepare custard. First, wash the fruits and peel them. Then cut the fruits into small pieces and keep them in a bowl. Now, boil the milk in a pot. Next, mix sugar with it and stir well. Take the custard powder in a small cup. Put 4 tablespoons of cold milk and mix well. Now, pour the mixture into the boiling milk and stir well. Boil for 5 minutes, stirring it all the time. After that, take the pot off the stove, let the custard cool. Finally, pour it into the fruit bowl. Now the delicious custard is ready to eat. Dear students, in this how you can prepare custard at your home. And remember that in the previous year, on this topic there was an assignment. So from that notion, lesson 4 is important to you. Dear students, now let's come lesson 5, a little plant. Dear students, in this lesson, here you will get a poem on a little plant, but here is actually written how a plant grows from seed. Okay? So let's recite the poem. In the heart of a seed, buried deep, so deep, a dear little plant lay fast asleep. Dear students, by these 4 lines, what we can understand? That means a little plant is buried within the seed, that is told here. And in the next lines, we will get how it comes to outside of the seed. Wake, said the voice of the raindrops bright. That means here, after the seeds are shown on the field, then the voice from raindrops raise a voice to wake it, and the little plants hear. That means the voice rendered by the raindrops is heard by the seed. Then and rose to see what the wonderful outside world might be. That means after hearing the voice of raindrops, the seeds raise and come to the outside world and to see the wonderful world. Dear students, in this lesson, you don't have any homework, and you will just read the poem and read how to prepare custard. And this is all about today's class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.